Now history appears to be repeating itself. Chabvondoka. Vanhu voti kuchamanyiwa. Sanapinda mashoko atakuona kuti vakomana vari kuuya panapo vachiona kuti ma-events akamboitika mumakore apfuura unoona 2017 uku anenge ndo akurisafesa zvavakuya vachiti aiwa vakomana vanoanalyza tarisai. Sanapinda mashoko amudanyikwa puna bebo subscribe like turn the bell like team navzimba anoendera mberi vachiti tensions between mnangagwa and Chiwenga have been steadily escalating with the reports of internal rifts within ZANU-PF and over Mnangagwa, the alleged plans to extend his rule beyond 2028 under the controversial hashtag ED2030. Presidential spokesperson Joe Charamba Thursday, posting under his pseudonym Tonzamso007 on social media, incited that the movements of tanks was nothing more than standard military drills. However, speculation persists that Chiwenga may have ordered their deployment to send a strong message to Mnangagwa. Ending to the uncertainty, war veteran and ZANU-PF Central Committee member Blessed Geza recently warned that war veterans were prepared to take drastic steps to remove Mnangagwa. His remarks have intensified speculation that a faction within the military, still loyal to Chiwenga, could be preparing to act. Reports suggested that senior military officials and war veterans have held clandestine meetings to strategize ways to counter Mnangagwa's grip on power. Sources indicate that Chiwenga's allies accuse Mnangagwa of reneging on a 2017 coup agreement that allegedly promised Chiwenga the presidency after Mnangagwa's first term. Unlike Mugabe in 2017, Mnangagwa has spent years consolidating power, begging Chiwenga's allies from both the military and government. He has appointed loyalists to key positions and neutralized potential challengers within the ZANU-PF. Tomashoko anobuda panapa anachiti aiwa panapa tiona kuti vanageza mashoko avari kuya vachipa maoni kuti aiwa tiri kugadzirira pane masignal atichapa ndizvo zvoitika matengas oonekwa macitizens ava confused vachiti pamwe ndo masignal aitagona nageza atichazivi. Mashoko ari kuda panapa achitsanangura nokomunavzim ai vachiti aiwa yes tiri kuona maevents aiwa achiitika but we must watch out. Todziya mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinai comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.